Well, when I talked to the top doctor, he said, frankly, they are fatigued with all the cases. They said that this week has been a very busy one with new COVID patients coming in. Currently, there are 40 people with COVID at this hospital, but with those numbers rising, they expect to see more hospitalizations in the coming weeks. At Liberty Hospital, doctors and staff are worried about the recent dramatic spike in COVID cases.
Just a few hours ago, the Clay County put out their fresh numbers for this week, and they're at 482 new cases per 100,000.
And the surge means more hospitalizations daily.
About a month ago, we had 6 patients in the hospital, and now we are close to 40.
The chief medical officer, Dr. Raghu Adiga, said last year the max amount of patients last December was 49. He said the hospital could handle more, but it could impact non-COVID patients coming in.
You're going to have to start making, some difficult choices about what do we do with other patients. Some of the patients' care could be delayed.
Over in Jackson County, the health department is reporting a spike as well.
We've had a 120% increase over the last 4 weeks, which is more than a doubling in the number of cases.
Right now, positive cases are surging in children ages 10 to 14. However, the highest case rates are still in people from 25 to 34 years old, which is the county's least vaccinated population. To add to the concern, flu cases are on the rise too.
In the last 2 weeks, we've actually received 65 flu reports, so it's definitely surging up.
Health experts worry flu cases could also send people to the hospital. Back at Liberty Hospital, the message remains the same. Get vaccinated to avoid ending up in a bed.
3/4 of our inpatients are totally unvaccinated.
Well, the Jackson County Health Department says whenever they see these increases, these spikes in COVID cases, they do see an increase in vaccinations. Lauren?